Hello creative. This is Munya Scripts, straight out of Gary Films production and Munya Scripts lifestyle. So we had reached somewhere, like then power went off. We had concluded with the designing. So we had concluded with our designing, and that is how it looks like. So looking at this, let us try using white. If we go back, get this, if we get this yellow whatever, then we go to effects, we scroll here, look for effects here. Let it first load. Sorry about that. So after loading, we put in fill. If we get this and drop it here, so could we change this to white? Let's see, like that. So we are basically going to be exporting one in white and another one in yellow. So if we go back and preview, as if even white pops it out better. So like that is it. Sorry, I think that is it. So remember, I do music. I'm a musician. You should check out my music from Spotify, all digital platforms. I'm Munya Scripts, a musician, an animator, a videographer. So endeavor to see that you check out some of my music. This is one of the dubs, my songs. So now this is the conclusion. So besides that, this is the conclusion of our animation. Now we are exporting it out. So if we save this, we also save in another format, because just imagine if the software says damaged after all of this struggle from owning. So now after that we come and go to export, because remember we said this has to be in full resolution. The same thing this side, change this to full resolution and save. Okay, from there we add it to render queue, export, add to render queue, then save. Let me first stop there.